Avon's Mom Kitchenette, and this is me once again, Freya, Avon's Mom. Today, I want to start my Go Healthy Pinoy series, which I will share healthy and delicious dishes and mostly Filipino recipes, savory and sweets, side dishes, snacks, or drinks. What we're making today is the Filipino green pasta. For me, it's the easiest, the healthiest, and the most economical pasta. And the only secret is the freshness. Fresh is the best. Let's come back later because I have to go out in the backyard and pick up some fresh malunggay leaves. Picking my fresh malunggay leaves outside. I'm going to prepare this one. Remove first the leaves from the stems, so take it out. Before washing, we're gonna add a spinach. And what we have in the Philippines is the spinach. We call it spinach Baguio. I'm also going to take out all the leaves from the stem. Wash this thoroughly and set aside. 3 cloves of garlic. Exciting part of the show is the tasting. So now we're gonna taste this green pasta. Here it goes. Perfect. You can taste the freshness. Fresh vegetables, fresh malunggay leaves, and the spinach is a perfect combination. It doesn't have a bad taste. Perfect combination with the spring onion. Not like the usual pasta recipe, the basil leaves. This one is very unique, but it's very delicious, healthy and delicious. The cashew nuts. I like the, what do you call it in English? We call it linamnam, malinamnam in Filipino. And this is even more delicious if you will eat this together with chili garlic. It's available at Avon's Mom. Give us a message and order. And chili garlic is perfect for your Filipino green pasta. If you want a little spice and more garlicky taste, I like to eat this at home with our famous Filipino cracker, which is this sky flakes. This, and take a bite. Masarap. Malinamnam. Perfect combination with this pasta. You must really try this easy, healthy recipe of this Filipino green pasta. You don't need to cook the sauce, provided that you cook the pasta and the cashew nuts ahead of time. You will just dump in everything in a food processor and presto, you have the Filipino green pasta. If you like this kind of video and you find value, please hit the subscribe button now. Please like and share this with your friends. And just eat healthy and then enjoy and love. So, see you around in my next video. Together with my sky flakes. Yummy. And I forgot to tell you, this pasta is best served when chilled because of the fresh vegetables, the fresh raw vegetables. So it is best served when chilled.